guys, welcome back to my girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi here, and today we're gonna do something with this. Yeah, we're gonna do Yep, today we're gonna do something with this. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please leave video suggestions down in the comments, and let's get right into it. I really don't even know where to begin. If you guys see me keep looking over here, my mirror is like literally right here. So yeah, but this is day, when did I wash my hair? I believe this is day 4 or 5. No, it's day 5. Today is day 5 here, and we're gonna try to prolong this wash day because this is a lot to wash. So we're gonna try to prolong it and see what we can do with it. I think, honestly, we're just gonna do a ponytail, slick ponytail. Well, I'll try to be a slick ponytail because every time I try to do a slick ponytail, there's always waves in there all the time. So we're gonna see how slick we can get it. Now, I do not use gel. I normally use a moisturizer. So today I'm just gonna use the air dry buttercream by Garnier Fructis. They used to have a orange bottle, but I could not seem to find it anywhere. Well, the only place I looked was Walmart, but I could not seem to find it. So we're just gonna use this one, some water. I have some scrunchies, and can't forget the tea tree oil. So we're just gonna get started. I normally do my parts on this side. So this is the side. This dry skin is something real, guys. This is, whew. No matter how much I oil my scalp, and I haven't oiled it in, I want to say 2 days, and it's already dry. All these emails about the coronavirus, I just can't deal. This looks so big up here. Like I'm bald. Oh no. Going bald, guys. I think that's good enough. Now to try to get this stuff flat, it's gonna be a process. Definitely gonna be a process. I think I can do it. This shouldn't take that long. This is when you get the water. You just spray, spray, spray. Oh, by the way, I did get this water bottle off of Amazon. It was like 13 bucks. But it has like a long spray for every press. So that's why I actually got it from another YouTuber. Wow, how am I supposed to put this in ponytail and you have a brush? Wowzers. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one. This one is a really hard bristle brush. Yeah, I'll use this one, and I'll use this one. And then I may also use my diamond brush to kind of get the curls out, so that way I don't have any bubbles. Or not gonna use that one just yet. This one's more of a softer brush. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. Let me see how long this takes me. Okay. See, guys, see, like I probably can't see them. The waves. Like, it's curling up already. I just wanted to be back. Oh. Get these back naps. Oh, so many flicks on my pants. Well, And it's crazy because I literally just washed my hair. My hair don't even stink. My scalp just literally be so dry. And it's so annoying. I normally just work with water first before I start applying product because I'm still trying to get this thing flat. Flat as possible. Yeah, there we go. That's a better part. Y'all see them waves? Y'all see them waves? That's not going to become flat. Water works really good with my hair though. Like, that's literally my best friend when it comes to doing my hair. I cannot do my hair dry because that just breaks it off so easily. All right, getting somewhere now. Ooh. Y'all see that forehead? Oh my goodness, it's so big. Alright, I think it's time for... I honestly might have to use some gel because these little flyaways... No, I said the fox. These little flyaways ain't cutting it. I don't know if this will lay it down or not, but we shall see. And I use a generous amount. A little goes a long way, so I crack myself up. Use a generous amount, but a little goes a long way. Alright, this is like around 556 of brushing, but that's alright. And I normally don't do my edges either. I just let them lay naturally how they want to lay. Ooh. I'll sometimes pull out my little curly curls on the sides, but other than that, that's it. Ooh, those look real slick. Now this is the brush that your mom used to brush your hair with when you were younger, but then she'd brush your forehead. It'd be all red. Okay, came a long way. And then I have these big, super big velvet scrunchies. I could wrap it around like 2 or 3 times. I want to make sure all this is brushed in, because I'm not trying to take this out and do it again. I used to use those elastic scrunchies, but listen, once you get it in a great spot and it pop, whew, your life is over. You don't even feel like trying to redo the ponytail again. Oh, it's about to look real cheeky. Okay, got it in there. Looks pretty good to me. What is that? It's probably some product. Oof. Oh my goodness. See, this is what I was telling you guys. You can see, oh, this side looks brighter. Oh, why is that like that? I need to fix some of that. What color? But it looks brighter in the light. Yeah, there we go, that's better. Alright. I think for the most part, looks pretty good. This is as flat as it's been in a long while. See, but I still have frizzies up here. You guys can't really see them, but the video? Look, come here. Say hello to Bella, guys. Say hi. This is my dog. Say hello. Hi, YouTube. No? Say hi. Get that old thing. Wow, the words aren't even on there anymore, really. I'd say we used about like 40% of it, but it's lasted us a long while. And I really, like, honestly, I don't even normally do gel. But we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, I'm just gonna get like a little bit. I don't want to put too much, because I did notice that after a while this gel does flake, and I don't want to have that problem. Oop. Okay, it normally don't work, but today it is a working. And also put up my little side curlies. Okay. And then we're gonna put a scarf on so we can lay down. So it can lay. That's another thing too. I like doing ponytails because the back is already curly, so you don't even have to do anything to it to make your hair curly in the back. But yeah, it looked pretty good to me. Alright, I'm gonna put a scarf on and then we'll take it off in like 10 minutes. And yeah. So we are back, and now I'm saying we, like it's more than one person. Take this scarf off. Oh, okay. This part over here is just still a little curly, but I say I did a good job. A really good job. It came out really cute. I like it. This part just looks so weird up here. It looks real light. I don't know, but curls is flourishing. So cute. That is it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave video suggestions down in the comments. Don't forget also to turn on that post notification bell. See you guys next time. Bye.